36 minutes left on June 3rd, 2021, going over the trades today. Highlight of the day was soybeans, as well as some of our crude oil strategies. You see crude oil, SR counter trend 2 V2M 5M plus 475, and then SR counter trend 2 crude oil plus 475. Gap fill fake crude minus 525. That one is not in any portfolios right now. And let's take a look now at soybeans. Soybean swing held the position overnight plus 1,037.50. Soybeans day trader 3 plus 15.25 on the day. Really doesn't get much better than that on the short side. Soybeans day trader 3 is having a big year and breaking out of a equity curve range. And let's go over the stock indexes now. E-mini S&P. Tick count trend 2, 1 minute, minus 300. Stopped out, re-entered. And so it's still in that trade mirror, minus 525. Tick count trend 5 minute, minus 1250. 60-minute breakout, minus 162.50. Tick pullback, minus 525. Adaptive moving average, minus 1175. And then we have AT 2019, minus 1200, minus 1200, and minus 1200 in 2020 and 2020 short only. So challenging day. This market never goes down. There's never a downtrend. Just a choppy, the market chops instead of having a normal downtrend. So it's very difficult to trade a strategy that tries to make money on the long and short side lately in the stock index futures, because the only time the market really has a smooth trend is when it goes up, and when there's a smooth uptrend. The other times it's very, very choppy, and it's imbalance, extreme imbalance, as we know from the liquidity of the Federal Reserve supporting this market. And so challenging downtrend day. And so ES2 tick fader plus 375, faded that, did well on the long side, taking the other side. A lot of those trades we saw gap continuation reversed, trying to capture that V reversal. V reversal is weak, so it's not really a strong market. It's just supported on sell-off. So a market that sells off and is supported, sells off and is supported, and is spending a lot of time near its highs but not taking out its highs. VSD ES, long only, minus 2025, open position. Tick wave, minus 825. NQ, AT 2020, minus 725. Tick pullback, NQ, minus 725. QS3 NQ, minus 725. And stock index swing, plus 525. NQ2, 60-minute breakout, minus 525, minus 2025 on the B version. Tick wave, minus 825. VSD long only, minus 2850. These markets keep acting like they're about to rally and then roll over, acting like they're about to rally and roll over, acting like they're about to rally and roll over. So just creates a big chop with the dip buyers still stepping in and trying to create these rallies. VSD long short, minus 1,060 on the day, open position. Viper, plus 150 on the day on the 2008 version. Gap continuation, 2019, big stop loss, minus 725. And those are the trades on the day. I want to check something here real quick. Gap continuation, 2019. It's in the old, actually, the small stop loss on that. So exhaust and reverse, minus 1287.50. Crude oil, we already went over that. Natural gas, still long on SR counter trend 3, minus 200 today. RBOB, no trades. Euro, Euro selling off here, 121.30. Gold, we had gold here, minus 395 on one trade. Cobra Gold getting in at the end of that move. Silver, no trades. Copper breakout, no trades. Copper selling off. And let's then take a look at the soybeans. We already looked at that. Old and optional. Those are some of those trades that we keep tracking. Some of the strategies that we continue to track. So choppy day in the indexes. Tough to trade it. And great day in soybeans. Smooth trends. Trading markets that are not as popular sometimes can be beneficial. And that is where diversity can kick in some of these portfolios that trade soybeans. So good trading on soybeans, making it for some of the losses in the stock indexes, but overall, choppy day in the stock indexes. Also, crude oil had these SR counter trends by the nice dip as we are continue to be bullish. Crude oil, bullish soybeans to the end of the year, but still trading both sides on the long and short.